Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and navigating to Chrome//extensions. Do this now. Enable developer mode with the toggle in the top right. You need either a CRX file or an unpacked extension folder. Keep that file location visible. Once done, verify the extension format. CRX is packaged, unpacked is a folder with manifest. JSON. Make sure the manifest version and permissions match what you expect, because Chrome will enforce those settings when you install manually. You now install the extension. For folders, click Load Unpacked and select the folder with manifest. JSON, Chrome reads that file and loads the extension. For a CRX, drag the file onto the Chrome//extensions page. Chrome may block unknown sources. If blocked, pack the extension in developer mode or convert to unpacked first. Make sure to confirm any permission prompts. These explain why the extension needs access to data or sites. Once loaded, the extension appears in the list, and the toolbar. You finish by testing the extension on the pages it should affect. Click its icon and run common flows. If something fails, open Extensions, click Details, then inspect views to see console errors. This reveals missing files or permission denials. If a CRX is blocked, check Chrome policies or switch to unpacked loading. One key troubleshooting tip: restart Chrome after enabling developer mode and reloading the extension. This clears cached scripts and often resolves installation hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.